Want to unlock the power of Meta AI in Messenger? Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I'll guide you how to use Meta AI in Messenger step by step. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First, open our Messenger app. Then tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner. Meta AI is available for a certain region for now. If you have Meta AI, then tap on AI Chat. AI Chat looks similar to normal chats in Messenger. There you can ask questions like, how do I copy and paste in computer? It will give answers. You can also generate images in it. And that's how you use Meta AI in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.